the Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup presented by JK Tyre. Follows him closer on that line again. He should be able to take him.
This is terrific racing. This is so good to watch.
This is where it all comes together, doesn't it? At the racetrack. When the lights go green, everything fades away in the roars and rumbles, just to get replaced by one instinct, to go faster and faster.
Racing takes different forms, but the RE GT Cup is not just another one. It is rather special. This is a story that saw its genesis on the streets, whether it came to the man or the machine. To watch these twin-cylinder thumpers draped in red, belting around the racetrack, it's an unusual sight, to be honest. But what's also unusual is the genesis of it all. Now, to understand the significance of the GT Cup and what it holds for the future, we have to go to a place, and I know a lot of you guys are familiar with that name. Brace yourself, 'cause I'm about to set it off. Three legends in their own right. Sidlal, Freddie Spencer and Ashfi Batena. They had a dream run with the Continental GT-650 at the Isle of Man.
So when I rode the GT650 in California, that's when I felt that this would be a very good platform to go racing with. All these bikes are equal. So basically it's absolutely a raw motorcycle, what you used to race in the past, that's what you're racing at today.
That joyride sparked an idea that would soon change the face of Indian motorcycle racing. The idea formulated the GT Cup, and then it ultimately led to the evolution of their racing machine when you add the letter R to it.
You got 1.4 billion people in India. Come on, you should have a world championship. You know, a world champion.
We have been developing a lot of motorsport talent, so we also hope that people who are getting trained through RE reach to a pinnacle level of MotoGP sometime.
The genesis of the GT Cup might have seen the inclusion of only professional racers at first. But how could they have ignored the sheer talent that breeds on the streets? Passion and grit don't require an FMSCI license. They require the right direction, and once they have it, legends are made.
Today, wealth doesn't guarantee you a seat on the GT Cup grid. It's your talent. You don't have to be some hardcore skilled rider. You don't have to be the best of the best or the best racer in the country.
In search of such racing talents that are hidden, buried in every corner of the country, Royal Enfield opened the doors of racing for anyone who has dared to dream of becoming a racer. Literally, anyone.
I'm actually by profession a banker. I do job here in Delhi.
As I told you, I'm a doctor.
It's a surprise. I'm a bartender. I make drinks.
I have a chain of barber shops.
I'm in post-production.
And I'm a professional freestyle stunt riding athlete.
जो प्रैक्टिस रहती है वो मेरी डेली रूटीन है अमेज़न में डिलीवरी बॉय हूँ डेली वही मेरी प्रैक्टिस रहती है कस्टमर टू कस्टमर फटाफट पहुँच जाने
Fitness, modeling. B.Tech graduate. I just completed my graduation this May.
Anybody who's not done this, you gotta do this.
When the gates were officially opened this year, RE saw close to 6,000 online registrations on their website from these dreamers. To skim through the sea of budding racers, they went to 8 cities for the zonal rounds of the GT Cup. Almost 600 of these grassroots street racers were shortlisted for the zonal rounds based on their profiles.
We didn't sleep early. We didn't get sleep.
4:30 से आगे 4:30 बजे से आगे बैठे हैं.
We left at 3 today from Jaipur. 4-1 बजे निकले थे रात को नहीं सोया था कैसे सोऊंगा?
I came all the way from Shillong, so.
We did not want to miss the spot. We came in only. Your heart's a darkened cave. Was it left out in the rain?
really thrilling sport and it's a lot of fun and it's exhilarating and it's very glamorous. At the same time, we must not ever forget that it can also be dangerous.
Yeah, racing is brutal, boss. People are going to put you down, you have to put people down.
That's how life is. You know, to have a certain winner, you need to have a few losers. So that's how it rolls.
I did lose a friend. I used to street race back in the days and I lost a friend. And I stopped racing ever since. But ever since Enfield came up with the street to track promotion, that's the only reason why I'm here is because we're racing on the tracks and on the street.
So when we chose to bring grassroots amateurs into the GT Cup, we were very clear from the very beginning that we must ensure that they are also given the required training and instruction to upskill and to kind of develop their talent and orientation to be able to not just ride a bike but to be able to race it on a racetrack. Thankfully, we already had the Royal Enfield track school. We have a very qualified and methodical set of instructors and a team from PRN Motorsport, practically led by Anish Shetty, who is the first GT Cup champion back from 2021.
Take his thumbs up and then slowly pull his arms back. Take input from him, don't smash that one competitor is gone. Slowly bring it back and see how much ever he feels good. Hold and then release and then pull it back again. Alright, do it 3 times.
I mean, track school plays a huge role in the Royal Enfield GT Cup zonal selections.
Track school is very important because you need to know first what are the lines on the track and how you are supposed to ride on track. Like you have your foot position, you have your handle lever position and everything.
Our body is the only weight which can be moved on the motorcycle. And that is what we use to maximize our lap times, and by increasing the traction on the tires, we move our body where, let's say I'm entering a corner, I kind of load into the front if I think that I can carry a little more speed. So this moving weight is what we try and utilize to get better lap times, better traction end of the day.
Winning is important, yes, but from where you start and where you end up is very important. The amount of steps you go up in your riding capability, that is the most important thing. Well, I can see you ride or see anybody ride and say whether he's got the potential or not.
Each zonal round saw 8 amateurs making the cut, taking the total to 64 shortlisted amateurs who were ready for the next defining chapter in Coimbatore, which also turned out to be the most crucial step in their journey, the transition to a professional racetrack. Royal Enfield wasn't just hosting a selection, they were acting as the ultimate enabler, taking street racers off the roads and putting them onto a real circuit, investing in their training and pushing India's motorsport story forward, one rider at a time.
We can't push too hard because if we crash, we are disqualified. We have to be very careful. Just survive basically. Survive Mumbai, go to Curry.
25 seats, it's a very slim margin. Let's see. There are really good racers out here, so yeah, fingers crossed.
Yeah, he always comes whenever he's around in town. Good to have a supportive dad. And last year I had an accident, still I'm here.
It's a part of life, it's a game. So an automobile is the only machine which every kid can connect to. So you have to let them go. If your child wants to get into motorsports, it's better you let him go and do it the right way.
मैं एक ये मैकेनिक हूँ इंडियन और फ्रंट बाइक का, और मेरा एक ये था कि मैं कोई कप में खेलूँ, तो हिसाब से मैं इसमें आया.
बट सर्किट रेसिंग में फर्स्ट टाइम डैड को देखा तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. हमेशा वो मुझे बताते कि कहाँ पे पुश करना है, कहाँ पे कॉर्नरिंग करना है. आज मैंने उनको बताया तो थोड़ा अच्छा फील हुआ.
It's thrilling, very, very thrilling. For the fact that I am doing this after delivering 2 babies. मैंने अभी imagine नहीं किया था कि मैं GT चलाऊंगी. That too track में, that too in between all these big boys. So it's a big thing for me because I'm proud of my body.
Because this wasn't just selection. It was Royal Enfield stepping in as the enabler, taking street racers off the road and putting them onto a real circuit, investing in their training and pushing India's motorsport story forward, one rider at a time.
Alright, so the top 25 who will be going for the time shootout tomorrow. In position 25, we have competition number 37. And next we have competition number 30.
Competition number 48. Congratulations. 38. Congratulations. 52. Congratulations. 61.
Next season, I will be with jacket and gloves.
While the fastest 12 were selected for the national round from the 64 riders who made it to Coimbatore, the aspirants who went home didn't go empty-handed, as they also received training from professional racers and veterans alike before they were placed on the grid for the selection process. Their first rodeo on the racetrack turned into a lesson and a gleaming memory that is going to reflect in their motorcycling journey for the rest of their life.
When you have 12 slots on the final race grid, but you have 6,000 people who apply for it. They want to make it to the amateur grid for the GT Cup season 25. And that's the biggest thing at stake for now. You know, once those lucky ones who get in, I want to at least make podiums. The guys who are making podiums, for them it will be like, I want to start winning races. The guys who are winning races will be like, I want to win the championship. So the stakes just keep getting higher and higher.
Calling these 12 amateurs lucky would be a sheer understatement because they made their way till here, battling it out with thousands of others who wish to be at the same place as they are today. Although Royal Enfield has retained the pro category, which involves 12 professional racers, a third category was also created for the national rounds, rightly called Twin Power Trophy, as it involves clubbing of 1 amateur and 1 professional racer as a team.
The smile on their faces is actually a win for us. When an amateur wins the podium, it is a big, big win for us.
This further accentuated their learning curve as the amateurs teamed up with pros who had prior experience of racing on the track, of setting fiery lap times.
There's no scope for bullshit. Your lap time does the talking for you, basically.
From the streets to here, the mecca of motorsports. This has been the legacy for some of the determined faces that you saw draped in racing suits. This has been the legacy of the motorcycle as well, the machine that propelled their racing dream forward. As vast and diverse as a country India is, it is also splattered with talent in each nook and corner. Talent which needs the right push, the right direction, and when it comes to a sport like motorcycle racing, the right training as well.
And that's how beautiful the GT Cup has become, where anyone and everyone can realize their racing dreams if they have what it takes. The itch to go faster. Faster than their peers who are on the same motorcycle. Faster than they have ever gone before. And that's exactly what they're going to do when the lights go green in round 1.
The Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup presented by JK Tyre